is happening, guys. Just out riding around. Just gonna take my new drone out, play around with it, get some nice shots of the bike or something. So yeah, I think my plans for now are going to be to head out towards Giles County, get some cool views. Man, I don't know why I decided to wear a flannel. It's not too bad when you're riding, but man, whenever I'm sitting here to like a red light, whew, stuff's hot. Hey man, things have been getting crazy around in the world right now. Still neck deep in the coronavirus issues. People are so crazy. This whole mask thing, man, it's getting out of control. People are dying over it. You know, you don't wear the mask, people will kill you. You wear the mask, people will kill you. Dude, I don't know. That's why I do my own thing, man. I think we all need to just be a little bit more civil, man. We need to get back to, as much as I hate the term, but we have to get back to normal, man. This new normal is garbage, or the new normal that they say it is, man. There ain't nothing normal about this. I tried to make this video, I don't know, a week ago, something like that. And got about halfway out here, and with the drone and stuff, I was gonna do all that. I got about halfway out towards Giles County, and started getting a little sketchy, like it was gonna start raining. So I was like, man, I'm gonna just pack it in. And I did. I had a lot of it filmed out, and I sat down, was gonna put it down on the computer, was gonna start the whole editing process. Oh gosh, that was not cool. Bunch of gravel you couldn't see. Yeah, I sat down, was going to get the editing process done and stuff, and I put the SD card in the computer and everything, and started importing everything, watching it, and then I realized about halfway into the video, a little bug had just right there in the middle of the camera. So that was great. Ruined probably 20 minutes worth of footage. I was able to get my intro for my videos. So that was nice. It wasn't a total bust, I guess. One thing I have noticed when starting to do these videos and things like that, I go down and start editing, and I realize that I'm an annoying person. Or at least I annoy myself. I don't know. Kind of feel bad for everybody else that has to hang around me. I don't know. If you ever get a chance to film yourself and then sit down and try to edit it all together or whatever, do it, because you'll realize the little things that you do. There's like just little things that that'll bug you about yourself. For kidding. I guess that's one of the things about me. I've got a horrible attention span. I also have a hard time of articulating my thoughts into words. That's why I get a lot of ahs and ums. And I try to edit some of those things out, and edit out a lot of the dead space that takes me a while just to figure out what I'm trying to say. I sound like Joe Biden trying to talk over here. There's my collar slapping the sides of my helmet again. I'm actually kind of impressed. I got a new backpack so I could have it as when I go riding. I can keep just trash and just a bunch of garbage in there. Obviously I got my drone in there today. It's one of those tactical looking backpacks. Got all the molly webbing and all that stuff. It also has a lot of straps, and that kind of concerned me. Because I was afraid it was gonna, when I get up to speed, those straps are gonna fly around and just start slapping me in the sides constantly. They're actually not. It's not too bad. But my collar on my shirt still beating me up. I was thinking I'm gonna go up here at this. There's a church up here, and they got a big parking lot. just so I can, you know, screw around in there, get a couple shots out there, you know, run down one battery on the drone. And I've got another spot I've, you know, been thinking about. So this church here, figure it's a nice big parking lot, pretty secluded enough, I guess. Well, I'm gonna sit here and film a little bit with the drone for a second, so I'll catch you guys in a second. Get moving. I don't know if you can see the sweat glistening off of my arms, but that's about everywhere on my body right now. Back on the road. I'm gonna try to find another drone spot. I think I may have found the place to stop. I've always seen this old house over here. It'd be cool to film on a drone. I guess we'll check it out. Got a few shots of that thing. I didn't stay here very long. I'm really hoping that house is actually abandoned. I mean, it seems abandoned enough. Things falling apart, but it's pretty cool. Now it's just time to get moving because it is hot still. Anyway, with that, I think I'm gonna just cut it out here. Remember to like, subscribe, share, shoot a comment down below. Make sure you hit that bell icon. All right, guys, we'll holler at you later. Peace.